Hello guys, this is John. Today I'm going to show you that how the shoppers app helped me. I know that a lot of you may have the question that is legit or scam. So today I'm going to show you that it's real, and I'm going to show you that a real view of that I withdraw out money from the website that I used to recharge. So in this time, this was my first time, so I just deposited a small amount of money, which is 300 rupees. So I'll just show you that how I'm going to withdraw out that money. So the here is my balance. As you can see, 314 rupees. So we are going to the withdraw button, and after that this bar will come, and we will touch OK button and enter the withdraw amount. You will enter the withdraw amount, your phone number, account name, and everything. After you enter everything, all of this thing, you just have to take the OK button, and after this it will ask you to add this. So after adding the bank management, the bank details, it's just as easy as this is. You can withdraw money, as you can see it here. After 24 hours, the bank, my bank SBI, send me this message, so that my bank is deposited with 216 rupees, which I withdraw out from the shoppers app. So I recommend every one of you to use it. It's legit. You can make money by working from home. Thank you very much.